B2B Perspective. Elevate your business in 2 minutes with Bob Tullio. Today's topic, do not neglect the second in command. For many in the B2B world, the holiday season feels like nothing but a lull, a pause, just waiting for the new year to start. But when you take a closer look at the home stretch that begins after Thanksgiving, there's a lot of holiday strategy to consider. In our last episode, we talked about the importance of being generous, this holiday season in particular. Today, we are looking at the often neglected second in command, the person who is in the on-deck circle, right behind the decision maker, the person who watches you schmooze their boss all year. Well, allow me to ask you this question. Is there anything worse than finding out that your primary contact, the person who you had a wonderful relationship with at the account, is no longer with the company, and they've been replaced by the second in command, who you hardly even know? It has happened to me, and it's like being in a free-falling elevator. Suddenly, you are back on the bottom floor. If you are lucky, the new DM will not be bent on making a name for themselves at your expense. My advice, especially in this economy, where high-priced managers are being replaced on a regular basis, do not neglect the second in command. Throw them a bone once in a while when you're entertaining their boss. Send a couple tickets their way at least once a year. Pay attention to their LinkedIn posts. Stop in to say hello when you're visiting the main contact. Invite the second in command to lunch, and don't forget about them during the holidays. A little respect, a little schmooze in their direction can be a game changer for you when suddenly the second in command is in the number one position. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help us reach the goal of 100 subscribers by January 1. We're almost there. Tap that little subscribe button on your screen and be sure to ring the notification bell so you will know when a new video is released. For more content, including online course information, and to arrange a call with your sales team, just me and your sales team, visit our website. See you next time. I'm Bob Tullio.